We're back. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making an Easter basket from Dollar Tree. I only spent $23, maybe 22.
22.
Alright, I'm making this video because I keep seeing people on Facebook and Instagram saying, who's making Easter baskets? You can do this yourself. It's super easy and it's super cheap, and you don't have to pay more than what you're already spending on the stuff if you do it yourself. It only takes about 10 minutes. Alright, so first you can pick a basket, and you might even have baskets laying around the house you can reuse. So this is the basket I chose. They have so many baskets at Dollar Tree. Okay, this is the basket I chose. So I'm not a big fan of the grass. They have the grass there, but I'm not a fan of it. So to make your stuff lift up a little bit, take a bag, put it in the bottom. You could get whatever wrapping paper you want. I'm just using this because this is the easiest to get to, but they have any color. So you put this at the bottom to make your stuff lift up. See? Alright. And then you're going to put your stuff that stands tall in first. Alright, y'all. Find anything that's like tall. We're going to put it at the back.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. Watch your arm. Oh, we're going to fill stuff with that. Alright. Alright, so in the meantime, I'm going to have the... Well, I don't want their hand. Alright, so... Then we're going to put lifesavers. Hold on, wait for that. We got some Sour Patch. All this came from Dollar Tree. Thank you, RJ. Yeah, we're gonna fill that with candy. Hold on. No, we're gonna fill candy in there. Alright, and then I got a mirror. It's like a girly basket. They have different characters there too. So we're gonna put the mirror in there. See, everything kind of like layers.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we're gonna put... So I got these little ears. Maybe the baby or whoever the basket's for, they want to wear it. And then I got a cup, and I'm gonna fill it with candy. No, we're gonna put open it. We're gonna fill it with M&Ms. Open this pack. And Reese, you open this pack.
Yay!
I'll put the lip gloss. Oh, I'll probably put the lip gloss.
Oh. It's this pack.
I got juice bottles. This is $1, so if you're making more than one Easter basket, you could put one in each child's basket. I'm putting 2 in this basket. Oh no, Riley. No. Just... Sorry, I wasn't specific. Just stuff them in here. Like that.
Like that?
Yeah. Here. You can eat them.
Sorry, you're bad.
You didn't know. Stuff them in there. Please do not. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. So Riley stuffed them with M&Ms. The cup with M&Ms. See, it's stuffed with M&Ms. You can even write the child's name on here. I got a pack of cookies, this big old pack of cookies.
They're yummy. Yep.
I'm put this in a bag because it's like a snack. Alright, this is like a thing of rubber bands, but it looks like a lollipop. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I'm put these ears up here.
Dollar Tree.
Dollar. Huh?
That is really like you know,
For real? Okay, so
I can't open these.
for people who really want everything to show.
I can't open these.
Okay, don't worry about it. You take some tape, you stick it on here, and it'll stick like right here. So stop moving.
I have to move it from body.
Okay, I'm about to use it. This is some lip gloss. No, this is nail polish. Isn't it cute? It's like ice cream cone. Nail polish. I got some socks. 3 pair of socks, $1. Stuff it up, stuff it up. Okay. I got a brush so the baby, if they want to brush their hair. This is like a super girly basket. I put the lip chap in here. See, lip chap. And I got this candy. It's gonna fill around in the basket.
Put them in like in a wrapper.
Just stick them in there. All right, we put a few in there. All right, that's enough. You can put it.
Some of these are for us.
Yeah.
Can I have one?
Not right now. In a second. Thank you, RJ.
In the video
Be careful, RJ. Be careful, baby.
Good, RJ.
Thank you, RJ. I got a jump rope for the child, whoever this child is.
Like when they want to play.
Yep.
Want to read?
Go by Riley. Go by Riley back there. You can go by Riley. Want some mommy lap? Come on. Okay.
And that's our baby brother. RJ.
So it's pretty much kind of full right now. You want it?
There's bubble gum on it.
All right, here you go.
It says.
Okay, so now it's like the decorating. Understand my lap? Okay. Now's the decorating part. Oh, that was loud.
Yeah.
So really, this is for the eggs. I'm gonna fill them with these candies. It's like little eggs.
Yeah, could I?
Because we're gonna have to touch them when I do.
Ooh, they exploded.
Oh, be careful. Okay, so glitter eggs. I would say don't buy regular eggs from there because you can get them from Walmart for way cheaper.
I want to try to open them.
No, we just put them in the thing. All right, and you can fill the basket with eggs. Just sit them in there. Sit some in there.
Mom. Okay.
Just put them around on the side. Don't hit the camera, okay? Got it? All right. But you can split those eggs between more than one basket. All right, and then for the finishing touches, I'm gonna hot glue the wings. I'm not gonna hot glue the extra wings, but I'm gonna hot glue like the tag to the back of the basket so it can look like a butterfly basket.
Wait, Mommy, what is... There, I got it.
Hold on, baby. I'm gluing it on here so it can hold. So I was gonna wrap the basket for y'all as well. I was gonna wrap the basket for y'all as well, but they didn't have the wrap at Dollar Tree. But most Dollar Trees, if you go where they sell the like the curly ribbon for gifts and bags, they sell the cellophane that goes around the basket. So you can do all of that right at Dollar Tree. But here's our basket. Isn't it full and beautiful? Oops. It only cost me $24. Here's my receipt. $24. So $24 basket, and you can still use some of the stuff for other baskets. So really it costs about, if you want to be technical, like about $18. So $18 basket is full of beautiful stuff, and I'm sure any little girl will love this basket because we're the bomb. Everybody, everybody say like and subscribe. Point to the video.
Like and subscribe. Give us a drink thumbs up.
Okay, watching. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Wait,
I'll just say bye.
They can't see you.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll just say